Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap, Byron, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move occurs when your belongings are transferred across a distance of more than 50 miles. We can transport your belongings locally across the state or the country. We have a good working relationship with the federal and local agencies in charge of the relocation process. We have insurance plans in place to protect the interests of our consumers. The policies cover risk obligations before, during, and after your belongings are moved. Our company comprises the most conscientious and dependable drivers and movers who will deliver your goods in one piece to their final destination. You won't have to worry about us ripping you off because all of our services are reasonably priced. A local move is less expensive than a long-distance move. Our local moving costs are reasonable, ranging from $30 to $40 per hour. Our local movers are licensed and committed to giving you the best value for your money. We are familiar with busy locations and cities, so you don't need to be concerned about the protection of your belongings. Our knowledgeable team of local movers can assist you in moving out the entire relocation process. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Byron moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.